Have you ever wondered why art exists in every society in the world? Why do humans paint, sculpt, sing, and create, even thousands of years ago? From prehistoric cave drawings to modern digital art, one thing is clear. Art is deeply connected to human life. In this lecture, we will explore the nature of art and understand why art is considered universal, cultural, creative, and experiential. First, art is universal. In every country in the world, art exists because it plays an important role in people's lives. In fact, art is one of the oldest forms of human expression. Long before humans developed spoken language, they were already drawing images on cave walls and tree trunks during prehistoric times. These early drawings show that humans have always had the desire to express their thoughts, emotions, and experiences through visual forms. Throughout history, people from different cultures and time periods have created art because it is appreciated, enjoyed, and meaningful. Despite differences in culture or location, the elements and forms of art apply everywhere, making art truly universal. Second, art is cultural. Art helps us understand both past and present cultures. Through artworks, we learn about the values, traditions, and beliefs of different societies. For example, paintings, sculptures, music, dances, ceramics, and prints. Third, art is not nature. Art is different from nature because art is man-made. Nature includes things such as mountains, volcanoes, lakes, rivers, and landscapes, things that exist naturally in the world. Art, on the other hand, is created by humans as an interpretation of what they see and experience in nature. In other words, nature provides inspiration, but art is the human interpretation of that inspiration. Another important characteristic is that art is an expression of the mind. According to Jeff Lee, 2016, art expresses the deepest emotions of the human mind. He explains that human thinking consists of both the conscious mind and the unconscious mind, and together they shape artistic expression. Artists often connect ideas, emotions, and experiences that may seem unrelated. Through practice and creativity, they develop the ability to transform these thoughts into meaningful artworks. This is why many artists are able to create powerful works that communicate emotions even without words. Art is also a form of creativity. Artworks are products of the human imagination. They entertain, inspire, and bring pleasure to people. Artists can create artworks based on anything they imagine or observe around them. They may experiment with unusual shapes, different patterns, and unique color combinations. Color, in particular, plays a powerful role in art. Colors can express feelings, moods, and symbolic meanings. Through their choice of colors, artists communicate emotions and ideas within their work. Because of this, art is not simply copying reality. Instead, art is creative rather than imitative. It is produced through the artist's skill, imagination, and personal expression. Finally, art involves experience. When an artwork is completed and appreciated, it creates a meaningful experience. This experience is similar to the feeling of satisfaction when solving a problem or completing a meaningful task. Artists often use their personal experiences as inspiration for their work. Through art, they express emotions, thoughts, and even social concerns. For example, the Filipino-Chinese painter Ang Kiu Kok created artworks that reflect harsh and disturbing realities in society. His paintings often express anger, frustration, and strong emotions influenced by his life experiences. Similarly, the famous painting The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh expresses the artist's emotional experiences. In this artwork, swirling stars, bold strokes, and dramatic colors convey intense feelings and personal reflection. Through lines, colors, and shapes, artists transform their experiences into powerful visual expressions. Conclusion. In summary, art is universal, cultural, creative, and experiential. It is a human creation that reflects our thoughts, emotions, culture, and experiences. More than just decoration, art is a powerful way for humans to express meaning, communicate ideas, and understand the world around them.